Imagine owning a property that not only generates steady cash flow, but also meets an urgent demand in the housing market. Affordable housing isn't just an investment, it's an opportunity to create wealth while making a difference. But the real question is, why now? Today, we're diving into why investing in affordable housing is one of the smartest financial moves you can make right now. Stick around, because this might just be the key to your next big investment success. Let's start with the facts. Housing is a necessity, not a luxury. But with rising home prices and sky-high rents, millions of people are searching for affordable places to live. And guess what? Supply is nowhere near enough to meet this demand. Currently, in major cities and even suburban areas, the demand for affordable housing is outpacing the available supply. This shortage creates an excellent opportunity for investors to step in and provide much-needed homes while securing a steady stream of rental income. It's not just about numbers, it's about real people, families, students, and workers who need a place to call home. And when there's high demand, with limited supply, prices and occupancy rates remain stable, ensuring your investment pays off. One of the biggest myths in real estate, that downturns wipe out investors. But affordable housing, it thrives in every market condition. Why? Because in a recession, more people look for lower-cost housing. Your tenants aren't disappearing. In fact, demand often increases. Unlike luxury properties that struggle in tough times, affordable rentals stay occupied, giving you reliable cash flow even when the economy shakes. While high-end real estate markets fluctuate with economic cycles, affordable housing remains a steady and safe bet. Even during market downturns, people prioritize their basic needs, shelter being number one. This means landlords with affordable housing units enjoy consistent occupancy rates, making it a recession-resistant investment strategy. Here's a little-known advantage. Governments love affordable housing investors. That's right. From tax credits to grants and low-interest loans, there are financial incentives designed to make your investment easier and more profitable. Imagine getting a portion of your rent covered by the government through tenant assistance programs like Section 8. That means guaranteed income every single month. And it's not just rental assistance. There are tax credits and even grants that help you acquire or renovate properties. Affordable housing investors may qualify for the Low-Income Housing Tax Credit, LIHTC, which significantly reduces their tax burden. Some areas even offer property tax abatements and lower interest financing to encourage investment in affordable homes. Here's another key advantage. Affordable housing may not skyrocket overnight, but it provides steady appreciation and rock-solid cash flow. The rent checks keep coming, and over time, your property value grows. Affordable housing investments are known for their high occupancy rates. With the growing demand, vacancy rates stay low, ensuring a consistent stream of income. Even better, unlike short-term rentals, affordable housing tenants tend to stay longer, reducing turnover costs and keeping your revenue stable. While luxury homes go through wild price swings, affordable housing remains a consistent and dependable asset for long-term wealth building. As neighborhoods develop, these properties appreciate in value, increasing your return on investment. And let's not forget, investing in affordable housing isn't just about making money, it's about making an impact. You're providing families, students, and workers with a place to call home. That's a legacy worth building. Real estate investing isn't just about personal gain. It's about leaving a lasting impact on communities. By investing in affordable housing, you're improving neighborhoods, creating opportunities for stability, and contributing to the well-being of countless individuals. You're not just building wealth, you're solving a critical housing crisis while securing a strong financial future. So there you have it. Affordable housing is one of the smartest, most recession-resistant, and impact-driven investments you can make. Are you ready to take the leap? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts on affordable housing investments. And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more real estate insights.